Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative number 4x we can put into negative 3x and negative x. This one we can do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 3. Next, we have the formula in here. We have a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So in this situation, we have s squared minus number 1. So in this situation, we can put into s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. Now we have s minus 1, s minus 1. We can do another factorization. And we have like this. Next, we simplify s minus 1 on numerator and denominator. Now, I will put number 1 going here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have negative number 2 over number 2. And we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.